Hello, my name is Todd Brix. I'm the co-founder and CEO of OCOchem. OCOchem and his team of engineers and chemists have developed a new, first-of-its-kind device that converts carbon dioxide, water, using clean electricity into a green molecule and chemical building block known as formic acid. As you can see, formic is a stable, non-flammable, clear liquid, as well as an energy-dense platform molecule, which is used as a building block to make thousands of everyday materials and chemicals, from de-icing chemicals and disinfectants to plastic precursors and fertilizers, and provides a way to safely and affordably store and transport green hydrogen. Since we opened our lab in late 2020, we have spent over 10,000 hours optimizing the performance, improving the efficiency, and scaling the device by a factor of 180 times. Electrolyzer scale-up takes time. We started with this microcell, which is 10 square centimeters, and then we moved to this size cell, which is 100 square centimeters. And recently, we just finished an industrial scale height prototype electrolyzer, which you can see over here in our pilot plant, and we call it the Carbon Flux Electrolyzer. This is an industrial scale prototype carbon flux electrolyzer, which has been designed, assembled, and is operated at OCOchem labs. And it works like this. The first part of the electrolyzer is electricity. Electricity is supplied here. Next, carbon dioxide is supplied to the electrolyzer through this inlet terminal at the very top of the vessel. The carbon dioxide, once it enters the chamber, gently passes through a porous sheet of paper called a gas diffusion electrode. Next, electrolyte is supplied to the anode side of the electrolyzer here. This is where water is split into protons, which we want, and oxygen, which is a byproduct of the process. In the middle chamber, protons pass through a proton exchange membrane and react with the carbon dioxide at the surface of the gas diffusion electrode to make concentrated formate. Finally, the concentrated formate solution exits the electrolyzer at the bottom. In a subsequent separation step, formate is then converted into high purity formic acid product. But we'll be scaling to a full-size cell version later in 2023, which is 10 times as wide and will represent the final industrial scale size of our system. When the full-size cell is finished, we will stack and press many of these cells together like slices of bread to make a cell stack, which will make formic at an industrial production rate. These cell stack modules can then be deployed at any location that makes or captures carbon dioxide, so that instead of emitting CO2, it can be captured and converted and then recycled into green formic. OCOchem's technology complements the work of clean electricity generation and carbon capture companies to provide the missing piece between both of them and address the hardest to decarbonize sectors of our economy. Industries like manufacturing, heavy-duty transport, chemical production, and cement, to create a circular carbon economy that stops the buildup of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere and helps lower the cost of everyday products we consume and use. Thank you for your time, and may the formic be with you.